To book a cost-effective accommodation in Clarke Quay, you can follow these steps. Research and compare prices. Start by researching different hotels, hostels, or guesthouses in Clarke Quay. Look for options that fit your budget and compare prices to find the best deals. Use online travel websites like Booking.com, Expedia, Agoda, or Airbnb often offer competitive rates and discounts. Use these platforms to search for accommodations in Clarke Quay and filter the results based on your budget and preferences. Check for promotions and deals. Keep an eye out for any promotions, discounts, or special deals being offered by hotels in Clarke Quay. Many accommodations run seasonal promotions or have discounts for certain periods, so take advantage of those to save money. Consider staying in hostels or budget hotels if you're looking for a more affordable option. Consider staying in a hostel or a budget hotel. These types of accommodations often offer basic amenities at lower prices compared to upscale hotels. Check reviews and ratings to ensure the place meets your requirements. Be flexible with your travel dates. Prices of accommodations can vary. Subscribe and like. Thank you.